I'm going to talk to you today about copying a course that you already have materials in that you'd like to use for a new semester. As we approach the second semester of the school year, this may be useful for you to watch this video so that you can copy your course with all of its units and all the materials listed. Once you copy a course, the things that do change are all the due dates will revert back to non-due dates. You'll have to reset those for your new grading period. And you'll also have to add your students as members of your courses in Schoology. This is a view of my Bell 1, 2, and 3 courses. The course is already built with my folders, and it has a welcome message for students. I often keep a folder of just course syllabus and expectations. Anything that comes up throughout the course, they can refer back to this as their expectations for this class. Every units 1, 2, 3, and 4 are set up to begin the course, and the students I can hide these or I can leave these here for the students to view. I'm ready to start this course for my second semester. My first move is to go to courses. I want to see all in the bottom right-hand corner. This will give you a full list of all your courses, whether they're archived or currently active. If you are doing this prior to January 4th, they'll be listed in your current courses. If you do it after January the 4th, they bounce over to the new grading period and your classes from first semester will show up in archived. Since I'm on my current course schedule, I'm going to scroll down the page to the course I'd like to make a copy of. My Intro to Schoology course is the one that I'll be copying. When I've found the course name and I've seen the sections, I really don't want to add a section because that would leave it an empty section. What I want to do is copy the existing section so I have all my materials. I follow this row where I have my courses listed. You may have yours separated on different lines, Bell 1, Bell 2, Bell 3. I'm going to select here to copy section. Copying the section means that I'm going to keep all my resources and everything I've created is still going to stay in there for the new group of students. So at this time, I'm going to copy section. It's going to ask me to name it. I am going to keep it the same. I do have this course again for Bell 1. I don't need a section code. What I do need is the second semester. So I'm going to look at the grading periods and find second semester. Since I'm still in first semester and second quarter, they're bolded. I'll have to scroll down further to see third quarter or second semester located here. Select the appropriate box and say copy to copy the course. Now that the course has been copied, you will see it show up in your course list. You may need to refresh to see this. After waiting for it to refresh, you should see that Bell 1 is now a section listed and ready for second semester. Bell 1. My next move is if I teach this class more than once, I'm going to add linked sections so I can have the same material shared between multiple bells. By pressing on the gear, I am going to select the option for edit. By editing the course, I'm able to add sections with this option here. I also teach the same course second and third bell. So I'm going to add a section here, name it accordingly, add a third section because I teach this class 3 times a day. Now I have these same 3 sections set up. I want to make sure my grade level is appropriately set and also grading periods. Before we selected second semester, that should still be in place here. I just always double check that to make sure it's in here. And my course is ready for sections 1, 2, and 3 to be linked sections. Now I'll save my options. My second set here is ready for second semester. I'm going to click on this to open the course so I can have a view of that course and what it's going to look like. As you notice, it looks exactly like my first semester course. The only difference is I'm going to be toggling between gradebook and members will now show up as 3 different sections. So if I click on gradebook to see anything, I will be able to drop down this menu and see my course gradebook for Bell 1, Bell 2, or Bell 3. This keeps you from having to go back up to courses each time. Bell 1, Bell 2, and Bell 3 are all options listed here when I toggle between to see the gradebook view. The same view is something you'll see on the members location of your course. Right now, my members are listed in this course only. And I'll see an option for Bell 1, Bell 2, and Bell 3 with a drop-down menu at the top. And I can toggle between my course lists and make sure all students are listed. The next thing I want to make sure of is my access codes. If I hover over the first one, it'll tell me this is going to be Bell 1, Bell 2, and Bell 3. Now I'm ready to give these course codes to the students who begin my grading period for second semester. If you need any other help with this, there's a guide to using link sections on Schoology Help. I just typed in how to link sections, and it went through some steps for me. What I've explained to you here is all the process that you should need to begin second semester. Your first semester course goes in archived, and now you're ready to begin your second semester courses with a linked section, which makes it easier for you to toggle back and forth between your sections of courses. You won't have to go out to courses and see the whole list. You'll toggle between them here by sharing resources together with those 3 sections of students in your courses. Contact me if you need any help with this process as you begin second semester. Thank you.